QuickBooks Online. If you're a small business owner, you know exactly what we're talking about. The prices keep climbing, the interface keeps getting more complicated, and honestly, it feels like they care more about big companies than small businesses like yours. But here's the good news. In 2026, you finally have real competitors. Software that's easier to use, costs way less, and in some cases works even better for small businesses. Today, we're breaking down the top 4 QuickBooks alternatives and telling you exactly which one is perfect for your business type. Hit subscribe for more small business finance tips, and let's dive in. Why people are leaving QuickBooks. Before we jump into the alternatives, let's talk about why so many people are looking to leave QuickBooks. Problem number 1, the price hikes. QuickBooks used to be affordable for small businesses. Now we're talking $30, $50, even $100 plus per month, depending on your plan. And that doesn't even include payroll, which costs extra. Problem number 2, the complexity. QuickBooks has so many features. Great if you need them all, but for most small business owners, it's overwhelming. You're paying for a bunch of stuff you'll never use. Problem number 3, they're moving on. QuickBooks has made it clear they're focusing on medium-sized businesses now. You can see it in their pricing and which features they prioritize. 5 years ago, there really wasn't much that could compete, but things have changed. The competition has gotten good. Let's talk about your options. Xero, best overall. Our number 1 pick for most people is Xero. That's Xero, not with a Z. This is the closest thing to a full QuickBooks replacement. Unlimited invoices and quotes, bank reconciliation, expense tracking, project tracking, multi-currency support. All the stuff you'd expect from a robust accounting platform. But here's what makes Xero different. It's so much more user-friendly than QuickBooks. The interface is clean, intuitive, and doesn't feel overwhelming. Look at this dashboard. Everything you need is right here. Your bank feeds, your invoices, your bills. It's organized in a way that actually makes sense. 2026 pricing, the early plan starts at $25 per month. The growing plan is $55 per month. That's the best value for most businesses. And the established plan is $90 per month for advanced features. Important tip, they run promotions constantly. Right now, you can get 75% off for 6 months with the right promotional link. Big advantage, unlimited users on all plans. Huge if you have a bookkeeper or accountant who needs access. The pros? Clean, user-friendly interface, unlimited users on all plans, excellent bank feeds, strong app ecosystem, great for international business. The cons? Payroll is an add-on with extra cost, and the lowest plan has invoice limits. Perfect for growing teams, businesses with multiple users, international operations, anyone wanting QuickBooks features without the headache. Zoho Books, best budget. Our option number 2 is Zoho Books. If you want maximum features for minimum money, this is your winner. Zoho Books has leveled up massively in recent years. You get invoicing, expense tracking, project management, basic inventory, client portals, bank reconciliation, and more. And here's the kicker, they have a free plan. It's limited on invoice volume, but it's actually usable for very small operations. 2026 pricing, the free plan is limited but functional. Paid plans start at just $20 per month. That's less than half what you'd pay for QuickBooks. The interface takes a little getting used to. It's not quite as polished as Xero, but once you learn where everything is, it's really powerful. The pros? Incredible price to features ratio, feature-packed free plan, great mobile app, strong automation, connects with Zoho CRM. The cons? Free plan limits invoice volume, there's an interface learning curve, and payroll is an add-on. Perfect for budget-conscious business owners, freelancers scaling up, international businesses because the multi-currency support is excellent, anyone wanting QuickBooks features at half the price. If you need professional-level features without the professional-level price tag, Zoho Books is hard to beat. FreshBooks, best for services. Number 3 is FreshBooks. Fun fact, FreshBooks used to be pretty basic. It couldn't even generate a balance sheet, but they've completely transformed. They added proper double-entry bookkeeping and tons of features. In 2026, it's a legitimate, full-featured accounting platform. But here's what makes FreshBooks special. It's built specifically for service-based businesses. If you're a consultant, freelancer, agency, or coach, Anyone who bills for time or projects, this is designed for you. Key features: amazing time tracking, project profitability tracking, beautiful client invoices, proposal creation, expense tracking. 2026 pricing: the Lite plan is $19 to $21 per month. The Plus plan is $38 per month. That's the most popular one. Big advantage: you get all core features even on the lowest plan. Your price only increases based on client count, not which features you need. Unlike QuickBooks, where you need expensive tiers for project tracking, FreshBooks gives it to you day one. The pros: perfect for service businesses, excellent time tracking, beautiful client experience, all features on lower plans, unlimited invoices. The cons: limited inventory tracking, not ideal for product-based businesses. Perfect for service providers, hourly billing, consultants and coaches, agencies, anyone tracking time and project profitability. If you need to track time and project profitability and you want clients to have a great experience, FreshBooks is hard to beat. Wave: best free. Last but not least, Wave. If you're just starting out, on a tight budget, or want to test accounting software without spending money, Wave is fantastic. The core accounting and invoicing features are completely free forever. Unlimited invoices, free. Unlimited expenses, free. Bank connections, free. Basic reports, free. They make money on payment processing and optional add-ons like payroll. So if you accept credit cards, there's a small transaction fee of about 2.9% plus 30 cents. But the software itself, $0. What makes Wave great? It's actually free, not a trial. Super simple interface, no limits on clients or invoices, perfect for solopreneurs. The reality check: you will eventually outgrow it. If you need advanced features like detailed inventory, project tracking, or complex reports, Wave won't cut it. The pros: 100% free for core features, easy to use, unlimited invoices and clients, no commitments. The cons: limited advanced features, basic inventory only, you'll outgrow it as you scale. Perfect for brand new businesses, side hustles, solopreneurs, anyone testing accounting software. Many businesses start here and upgrade to Xero or Zoho Books as they grow. It's a smart, risk-free way to begin. Comparison and recommendations. Let's recap. Xero, best all-around QuickBooks replacement, starts at $25 per month for growing teams who need full features. Zoho Books, best value for money. Free plan available, paid starts at $20 for budget-conscious owners who want all the features. FreshBooks, best for service businesses, $19 to $21 per month, perfect for time and project billing. Wave, best free, $0 for core features, for startups and side hustles. Quick decision guide. Want everything QuickBooks has but easier? Choose Xero. Want maximum features for minimum cost? Choose Zoho Books. Running a service-based business? Choose FreshBooks. Just starting with zero budget? Choose Wave. Tips for switching. Before we wrap up, here are quick tips to save money. Tip number 1, test before you buy. Every platform offers free trials. Test them with your real business data before committing. Tip number 2, hunt for discounts. Xero often runs 75 to 90% off for first 6 months. FreshBooks and Zoho have intro offers too. Never pay full price. Tip number 3, easy migration. Most platforms have tools that import QuickBooks data directly. Switching is easier than you think. Tip number 4, run parallel. Nervous about switching? Run both systems for a month. You'll gain confidence fast. Conclusion. There you have it, the best QuickBooks alternatives in 2026 that actually compete. Our top pick, Xero for most businesses, but the best choice is the one that fits your specific needs. Drop a comment. Which software are you leaning towards? Already using one of these? Share your experience. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more small business finance tips without the fluff. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.